Okay, this is just a really short tutorial to getting your CSV from R formatted so that you can put an edge list into Gephi. So first thing I'm going to do is I put a short script together. The first part is just loading the iGraph package. And then I have already loaded the baseball data set, and I'm going to call it links. And now I'm going to create it as a matrix so that I can have a network that I can turn into an edge list. And so that's my real goal, is just to get that edge list. I'm creating it as an object, G, and then I'm going to write G to a file. And if I don't change this code at all, so I'm creating a file with no row names, no column names, and I'm separating by a column. And if I don't make any changes, that's just going to save to my documents. All right, well, now I can go to File, Open, and in my documents, open that CSV. It will automatically detect the number of nodes and edges. I click OK, and there's my data. So I can now choose I can now choose something that to display this. I can decide if I would like to show the actual labels of the nodes. Now I can see their names. I can change the size of those depending on what's of interest to me. If I have edge labels, I can add those. I'm just going to run the average degree of centrality. It's going to give me a distribution. And I'm going to run modularity. And how about a clustering coefficient? And that will allow me to come over here, and I have choices by color and size. So for the size, I'm going to use the attribute of degree centrality to size my nodes by degree of centrality. And I'm going to color code them by the clustering coefficient. And I guess they're going to be on a scale. I can change these colors if I'd like, or customize the colors. Rather than having a gradient, I can have individual colors. I might want to do this by modularity class. I can use it on different palettes. It's completely customizable, but usually these color codings are a little more attractive. And the last thing I usually do is a nice curve on my lines. And do preview. Well, that last one didn't work as well as I'd hoped. Oh, because I went to a different workspace, I think. Well, we won't worry about that last part, but the major part of this tutorial was just to move your data from R to Gephi. So that's that. I hope this works for you.